Welcome to the introduction of Google Docs online version, Edit and View menus, part 2 of 7 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library. Table of Contents. Edit and View menus, part 2 of 7 parts. Edit menu, undo and redo, cut and copy, paste and paste without formatting, select all and delete, find and replace. View menu, mode feature, editing, suggesting, and viewing. Show print layout, show ruler, show outline, show equation toolbar, show non-printing characters. Undo, remove text or object. Redo, restore removed text or objects. Cut and copy functions will not become active until text or an object has been selected. Cut removes text or objects from its original position and saves it on the clipboard until inserted to a new location. Copy duplicates text or objects so they may be inserted in a different location in the document. Google no longer has the web clipboard. You may still be able to right-click on the text or object and use cut or copy, but paste will not be available. Most browsers do not allow web apps like Google Docs access to your computer's clipboard. For this reason, keyboard shortcuts must be used. Paste. Keyboard shortcut for paste is Ctrl+V. Paste without formatting. When text is cut or copied, it will match the existing text when inserted into a document. Select all. Highlights all text and objects in a document. Delete. Remove selected text or objects from the document. Find and replace. Type in the word you would like to replace, and Google Docs will highlight the word. In the Replace With section, type in the replacement word. Replace. Used for replacing the word once. Replace all. For replacing the word each time it appears in the document. Previous and next. After entering the text you want to replace and the replacement text, click Replace. If you wish to replace the text throughout the entire document, click Replace All. Editing. Edit document directly. Open the document in Google Docs, select Text, begin editing. Suggesting. Used to track all changes made to the document. Viewing. Proofread the document or print document. Scrolling over the right side of the page and these icons will appear. Add document, add emoji reaction, suggest edits. When checked, Show Print Layout displays how the document will look when printed. When checked, Show Ruler will display the ruler. When checked, Show Outline pane will open on the left side of the document. Relations, Greek letters, arrows, miscellaneous operations, math operations. To add an equation, open the document in Google Docs. Click the location where you want to insert the equation and select the symbols you want by clicking the small arrow next to the different selections. Show non-printed characters example, section breaks, menus, line breaks, etc. Full screen, the toolbar and the drop-down menu are hidden and only the document is visible on the screen. To return the screen to normal and display the toolbar and drop-down menu, click the Escape key on the keyboard, upper left corner. Fruitland Park Library. This concludes the introduction of Google Docs online version Edit and View menus, part 2 of 7. Thank you for joining us for part 2. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining parts 3 through 7 of Google Docs. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this tutorial, please contact Gloria Terry at mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.